Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2012 Panini Prizm football box break number 3. Here's the last team up for auction. There's the Colts. So here we go. Best of luck, everybody. So I'm not going to announce all the base cards, but I will stop. I will show every single card, but I'm just not going to say base for every single base card. So here we go. Best of luck, everybody. We have a rookie for the Browns of Trent Richardson. We have a rookie impact card of Ronnie Hillman for the Broncos. And we have a rookie for the Bengals of Draper Kirkpatrick. A rookie for the Jags of Justin Blackman. We have a die cut hit for the Colts of Delone Carter. And we have a rookie for the Chargers of Kendall Reyes. We have a rookie of Oliver Vernon for the Dolphins. And we have a rookie for the Bills of Stephon Gilmore. Rookie for the Chargers of Melvin Ingram. And we have a rookie for the Titans of Kendall Wright. We have a rookie for the Texans of Keyshawn Martin. Still waiting on the first auto. We have a rookie for the Dolphins of Ryan Tannehill. We have a Brilliance hit for the Giants of Hakeem Nicks. And we have a rookie for the Jets of Quentin Coples. We have a rookie for the Eagles of Damaris Johnson. And we have a rookie autograph redemption of Bryce Brown. That card goes to the Eagles, Bryce Brown. We have a rookie for the Browns of Brandon Whedon. A rookie for the Ravens of Bernard Pierce. And we have a rookie for the Eagles of Fletcher Cox. We have a rookie for the Dolphins of Ryan Tannehill. And we have another rookie for the Dolphins of Michael Agnew. We have a Decade Dominance card of Deacon Jones for the Rams. And we have a rookie of Levante David for the Bucks. We have a nice hit for the Vikings. Rookie card auto of Matt Khalil. We have a rookie for the Rams of Brian Quick. We have a rookie for the Raiders of Rod Streeter. We have a rookie for the Patriots of Chandler Jones. And we have a rookie for the Cardinals of Michael Floyd. We have a rookie for the Panthers of Luke Kuechly. And the last pack. We have a rookie for the Redskins of Alfred Morris. And base to finish it off. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.